Just talking to one of my investors who's cashing in on their properties in Chelsea, Massachusetts, and this person took all their money that they made from owning an electrical company, and they saved all their money, bought a bunch of buildings, and then now they're selling off all the buildings and getting a crazy return on their investment. This person made over $5 million just selling the buildings that they owned, not charging crazy high rents, and the buildings paid for themselves, and all the buildings are paid off. Now they're selling them and retiring and are going to travel the world. So if you are thinking about how can you retire good, maybe buying some real estate properties that you can manage over the years could be a great retirement package for you in the next 30 years.